Hello, friends. Today I take a topic that why distraction is in religions. We see people of one religion attack other religions people. Wars had been in past over this matter. So religion is not made by God, first thing. Religion is made by man. Different religions are made by man. And they set some rules, regulations in their own religion. And those rules and regulations cause many times pain to the followers. All followers are not in mood to do that in that systematic way. So the pain religions give to their followers by forcing them to do this or to do that. If they are not doing, then they are shown down. Comments are passed on them, and then it hurts them. I have seen since childhood. I have seen कि people tick others. Have you done this? Have you done this? So it is giving pain to people. We have decided that we should take bath first, then we should eat. In old days earlier, it was a trend or a baby. So many people first take bath, then they eat something. So it was decided by someone. Nowhere in religion it is written, nowhere in nature it is written that before eating something, it is must that we should take bath. But earlier, I have seen if any fasting was there, or if people are, say, for hungry and they could not take bath because of any reason, so they themselves tortured them. It is also a big thing. Leave other people themselves torture to themselves because of these religious habits. So if they have not taken bath, they will not eat anything. They might be very tired. They might be very hungry. But first they will take bath, then they will eat. So this unnecessary pain given to man breaks the things, because God is within every human being. So the things or the system or the religions which cause pain to man, and man himself starts to live in pain because of these rituals and these habits. So what will be done? God has to attack, nature has to attack that so that it should stop it. Why you are in pain? Why you are giving yourself pain? I have provided you everything. Why are you giving pain to yourself and to others? For me, in my name, I don't need your fasting. I don't need this thing or that thing. You live happily. If you are happy, I will be happy. If you will be happy, I will be happy. So, but in every religion, almost so many rules, regulations, traditions, and because of that, we suffer. We suffer a lot. So distraction comes because of our own methods in religions, not because of other religion. If methods in our own religion are causing pain to followers, giving them tension or insulting them, it will bring destruction to that religion. rules cannot be followed for long. The same rules cannot be followed for long. Rules and habits are to be changed with the time. If things are not changing, it means either you have been solidified, you have become stone. So, stone is giving shape, broken, pain. That is. So, things means someone decided earlier, someone decided कि it should be right way for man to living in one religion. So, that thing cannot be right today. But we can change constitution, we can change technology, we can change phone next year, but we are not ready to change the set rules of religions which are not fit for today. I give you one thing I tell you. देखिए earlier in Hinduism people went to jungle for tapasya. So they thought, or maybe their institutions were in jungle or whatever. So they went there, they achieved high spiritual benefits. Like Gautam Buddha, he went to jungle and he did tapasya there, he became Gautam Buddha. But that going to jungle, nowadays, as I am practitioner of heartfulness mission, so no one is going to jungle, but many are achieving spiritual development. So now we can understand it was not going to jungle. It was not continuously sitting at a place with some desire. It would be Hatha Yoga. You are insisting God to give you this thing. So you are pressurizing God. So it means this thing may not be good for you because you are pressurizing God to give this or that. Leave it. Chaliye, we should. We people were going to jungle for tapasya and having spiritual development. But now we can understand, we have seen, as Kabir Das did not go to jungle, but he was very spiritually high. Ravi Das, Sant Ravi Das did not go to jungle, but he was very spiritually high. So now we can understand that going to jungle is not the point. Point is what you are asking for God. Asking God for what? That is the thing. What we have to ask God that He should come to us. That is energy. And if we are asking this prayer we are doing, that I need you, you come to me. You come to me. I cannot reach to you. Without you, I cannot move this life. I cannot go ahead. So then that energy will increase within us. And this desire we can have when going to sleep, when going to our work in morning, or in day when we have time, we can sit, we can call God. We should feel that He is coming. And all accumulation within me is going out. जो भी मेरे अंदर जीवन का असर इकट्ठा है, जो मुझे दिमाग से काम नहीं लेने दे रहा है, जीवन का असर जो मेरे अंदर इकट्ठा होता है, मुझे पता है कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, खा ले भाई, भूख लग रही है खा ले, लेकिन नहीं, जीवन का असर जमा हुआ है. आई विल फर्स्ट टेक बाथ देन ओनली आई विल ईट. तो इन दिस grossness you are giving pain to you, and for its result, as its result, more pain is to come to you. It is your action. Reaction is to come. No one can save you from this reaction. God is helpless there. He is not giving you punishment. He is not taking your test. He has to give the result of your action. Here he is bound. So really there is distraction in religions because religions are giving pain to man unnecessarily. That is the reason. That's why there are clashes between two religions, and then third religion starts when people realize something easier ways, so they start new religion. As a Ramchandra Mission, heartfulness is new system, not religion, system. And it includes all the religions. 200 countries people are in it, and their language is different, their system is different. You follow your system, you follow your lifestyle, but you do meditation. If you do meditation in this way, then you will be connected to God. That is. Thank you, friends.